In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Airtable Study Planner using Claude AI. Start by opening Claude AI and creating a new chat. Once the chat is ready, paste in a single prompt that tells Claude exactly what you want to build in Airtable. Use a prompt that asks Claude to create a study planning system directly in your Airtable using the integration. Make sure it includes tables for subjects and study sessions, along with fields for subject name, topic, status, priority, study date, duration, notes, and progress. Also ask Claude to include structured scheduling and to fully configure everything so the planner is ready to use. The goal here is for Claude to build the Airtable base for you automatically through the integration, so you do not need to set it up manually, field by field. Next, open Airtable and go to your workspace. Look for the newly created Study Planner base. Once you find it, open it and review the structure that Claude generated. This is where you confirm that everything has been created correctly. Begin with the subjects table. Open it and check that the necessary fields are there. You want to confirm that the subject information is clearly organized and that the setup matches the planning system you requested. Then move to the study sessions table. Open that table and review the fields there as well. Make sure it includes the details needed for each study block, such as the topic, status, priority, study date, duration, notes, and progress. This table is what you will use to organize your actual study schedule. Once the tables look correct, verify the scheduling setup. Check that the study date field is functioning properly and that the duration field is available for tracking how long each session should last. This helps ensure your planner is practical and easy to follow. After that, review the progress tracking fields. Confirm that the status and progress options are working as expected. These fields are important because they let you monitor what is planned, what is in progress, and what has already been completed. When everything is set up correctly, you can begin using the planner, add your subjects, create study sessions, and start scheduling your study time in a structured way. This gives you a simple system for planning coursework, tracking sessions, and staying organized. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.